Your freezer is a powerful tool for saving money and cutting food waste. Let's make it work for you. Buy meat in bulk when it's on sale. Portion it into meal-sized servings as soon as you get home. Wrap each portion tightly, label with the date, and freeze right away to lock in freshness. Organize your freezer so everything's easy to see and grab. No more digging for dinner. With these simple steps, you'll save money, reduce waste, and always have great meals ready to go. Like these tips? Subscribe for more ways to save and eat well. When it comes to preserving meat, freezing is an incredibly effective method. It allows you to extend the shelf life of your favorite cuts and ensure you always have something delicious on hand for a future meal. Almost any meat can be frozen. Roasts, steaks, chops, ground meats, and chicken pieces all do great. Freezing essentially puts the brakes on spoilage, preserving the quality and flavor of the meat. For best quality, freeze ground meats for up to 4 months. This ensures that the texture and taste remain optimal when you're ready to use it in your favorite recipes. Steaks and roasts, on the other hand, can be frozen for 6-12 months, and whole chickens can maintain their quality for up to a year. This makes freezing a whole chicken a great way to save money and have a convenient meal option available. Processed meats like bacon or sausage, due to their higher fat content and processing, are best used within 1-2 months. Cooked leftovers? Freeze them for up to 3 months for quick meals. This is a fantastic way to reduce food waste and enjoy your favorite dishes later on. Prevent freezer burn by wrapping meat tightly and using it within these time frames. Proper wrapping minimizes exposure to air, which causes freezer burn and degrades the quality of the meat. Remember, label everything with the date and type for easy tracking. This simple step will save you from mystery meat surprises down the road. Follow these tips and you'll always have tasty, ready-to-cook meat on hand, making meal planning a breeze. Here's how to freeze meat like a pro. Portion it based on how you cook. 1 pound, 2 chicken breasts, etc. Wrap each portion tightly in plastic wrap, squeezing out all the air. Place wrapped portions in freezer bags, press out extra air, and seal. Label each bag with the type of meat and the date. Lay packages flat in the freezer for quick freezing and easy stacking. Once frozen solid, stack them to save space. This system keeps your meat fresh, organized, and ready for any meal. Simple, fast, and effective. Organization is absolutely key when it comes to making the most of your freezer space. A well-organized freezer isn't just about aesthetics, it's about efficiency, reducing food waste, and simplifying your meal preparation process. One of the best ways to achieve this is to use bins or baskets to sort meat by type. This simple strategy can transform your freezer from a chaotic jumble into an easily navigable resource. For example, keep all your chicken together, all your beef together, and all your pork together, etc. This systematic approach makes it incredibly easy to quickly find exactly what you need without having to rummage through a mountain of frozen items. Plus, it allows you to easily see when you're running low on a particular item, prompting you to restock before you run out completely. However, don't overfill your freezer. An overstuffed freezer reduces air circulation, so keep it about 3/4 full for best efficiency and consistent freezing. When it comes to storage, consider reusable silicone bags. They're a fantastic eco-friendly and sustainable freezer storage solution for long-term use. Don't forget to label bins and bags clearly for quick access. This will save you time and energy and mean less time with the freezer door open, preserving the temperature inside. Ultimately, the bin system keeps your freezer tidy and organized and helps maintain a steady temperature, which is crucial for preserving the quality of your frozen food. Less digging, less waste, which translates to savings for you and more energy savings, as your freezer operates more efficiently. A well-organized freezer means faster meal preparation, allowing you to whip up delicious and nutritious meals in a fraction of the time. Ultimately, it leads to less stress and a more enjoyable cooking experience. Thaw meat safely by planning ahead. Move it from freezer to fridge the night before. For a quick thaw, submerge sealed meat in cold water, changing the water every 30 minutes. Microwave defrosting works in a pinch, but cook immediately after. Never thaw meat on the counter. This risks dangerous bacteria growth. Safe thawing keeps your meals delicious and your family healthy. With these methods, you're always ready for a home-cooked meal. Freezing and thawing meat the right way is simple and rewarding. Enjoy the convenience and savings every time you open your freezer. If you found these tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more smart kitchen strategies.